Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name Ahmad Sultan. I'm from the English Study Program, Faculties of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, Institut Agama Islam Negeri Pontianak. So here, the purpose of this video is to do my middle exam. So what I'm gonna do here is giving some opinion about a journal. And the journal that I will, kind of like a review here is under the title Strategies for Teaching Speaking English, written by Ayib Saipul Uyun. So sorry if I always look at down because the laptop was was here and I should to see the journal. So this journal is a kind of empirical research because the author is deliver his own research finding that he do in a school, namely Tunas Unggul at Bandung, and the research and the research employs is a qualitative descriptive method, uh, providing descriptive analysis focused on contemporary phenomena in a real context and the quality of human behavior. Uh, so what I'm gonna do, maybe we should to uh, read the abstract first, right? So we can get the point what is in the journal. So I will I will read the abstract. Here is written the abstract was one important aspect that need attention in the learning process is teaching strategies. Therefore, determining the right teaching strategy can improve learning outcomes effectively. The purpose of this study is to identify and describe strategies for teaching English speaking. This research was conducted at Tunas Unggul Junior High School in Bandung and used a qualitative descriptive method. Data collection was done through interviews, questionnaires, observation, and documentation. This study found that the strategies for teaching English speaking used at the school are greatly influenced by communication strategy and are student centered. These steps have had a very beneficial impact on all parties, especially teachers and students, regarding their English speaking development. Therefore, at uh, in teaching speaking, it is important for everyone, especially educators, to develop teaching strategies that meet the need of students. So that was the abstract here, and the keyword is teaching English speaking and Tunas Unggul. So the point, what we get from this abstract is this journal is talk about the strategy, the best strategies of uh, teaching English, yeah, teaching speaking English, and the author is do their research, his research in one of school at Bandung, namely Tunas Unggul Junior. So why what was I something that I should to mention here, that there is a table in the journal, is like this, right? I will show you in the video later. So wait. Ah, on this table, the author was asking the student what is the best strategies that they think that effective for them to learning speaking English. So regard here on the table, the what is it? The student or the what is it called? The wait, I'll thinking. So the author was asking the student, and the student is answer like this. Yeah, I already show, and all the answer, all the students' answer is typically uh, strategies that using a practice, right? I don't know how to say it, but kind of like that. So, and I think I agree with this table with their opinion because of course practice is it's in my opinion, right? Practice is more better than theory. Because of what? Because I feel it by myself. When I do a practice, something like talk with my friend or do a drama or something like games or discussion, it's make my English better. It's different when the what is it when the teacher giving as a student giving a theory. What happened to the student? It's they gonna be bored so much. They gonna because of course the teaching by explaining a theory, it's so boring. And then when we do the practice, it's make it our speaking skills better because we use it in a daily. So it's a become a habit, and then that habit make our speaking skills better. So that's my opinion about this journal. I mean the result of what is it? The result of the research, yeah, that do in Bandung. So the conclusion is maybe I'll read the conclusion in the journal because I afraid to make a wrong conclusion. But one more. The in conclusion, the strategy teachers often use in classroom is communication strategies combined with student-centered approach. Um, just that. Just that the real quick conclusion. So I think this journal kind of really good in my opinion because I agree with the point of view no about the main topic in this journal. So and I think just that I mean I have no much opinion about this journal. I'm just a student also. I can't judge a journal is a good or not. It's just my opinion. So and that's all for me. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this video too long. That's all from me. Thank you very much. If you watch this video, and yeah, that's all. Okay, see you on the next video if I have another assignment. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.